Hey everybody, it's Tiffany. Today we're at the Jeep Lab, and today we're going to be discussing part 2 of the TreadLightly tenets. Today, for the second TreadLightly tenet, is respect the rights of others. Be considerate of others on the road or trail. Learn the basics of trail etiquette. Leave gates as you find them. If crossing private property, be sure to ask permission from the landowner. Yield the right-of-way to those passing you traveling uphill. Yield to mountain bikers, hikers, and horses. When encountering horses on the trail, move to the side of the trail, stop, turn off your engine, remove your helmet, and speak. You want the horse to know that you're a human. Ask the rider for the best way to proceed. Proceed with caution around horses and pack animals. Sudden, unfamiliar activity may spook animals, possibly causing injury to animals, handlers, and others on the trail. Do not idly ride or in camping, picnicking, trailhead, or residential areas. Keep speeds low around crowds and camping areas. Keep the noise and dust down. Thank you everyone for joining me here on a beginner's guide to off-roading etiquette. You can follow me over on Instagram if you want to continue to tread lightly with me. Thank you.